Hi, in this video for my Inkscape beginner's guide, I'm going to talk about guides. To add a guide, click with the left mouse button on the ruler, hold down the mouse button and drag. You can do this with the horizontal ruler or with the vertical ruler. Also, if you get close to the corner here, you can drag a guide at an angle. If I mouse over this guide, you'll see that down here in the status bar it says guideline at 45 degrees. Next we have some coordinates that give us the origin of the guide, and the origin is indicated with this little circle, and if you want to move it you can hold down the control key and drag this. If you want to rotate the guide you can hold down the shift key. You can also hold down the shift and the control key to snap at 15 degrees angle. If you want to be more precise when you're rotating a guide, you can double click on the guide and then you get this dialog, and we see the guideline ID. We also see the current angle and also the position of the origin. We can change the origin from this X and Y options. We also have the option to change the units and to select the angle. So for example, if I type in 40 degrees, click OK, and this will apply our changes. Now if you want to make the guides invisible for a moment, you can go to the view menu and select this option, and if you need them back you can just go to view guides. If you want to delete them you can just mouse over and hit the delete key. You can add guides around the page using the edit menu and selecting guides around page option. One more option that I want to show you is found in the object menu, object to guides. For this one we are going to need an object, so if I click here and create a rectangle, then go to the object menu and select this option, you'll see that this added guides matching the bounding box of the object. I'm saying this because, for example, if I create a circle and use again this option, you'll see that this created again 4 guides even though we have a circle. That's because the bounding box of the circle again has only 4 sides, and if I hit Ctrl Z to undo this and select this object with the select and transform tool, you can see the bounding box of the circle. It has only 4 sides, and that's why we have 4 guides. So guides can be very useful when you're creating your graphics. Also make sure you combine them with snap controls. If you missed my tutorials about these options, you can find them in my beginner's guide playlist. I'm going to include a link in the description of this video. And that's it for this one. I hope that it was useful. If it was, like it, leave a comment, visit my channel for more, and subscribe if you are new to my tutorials. And that's it for now.